Good morning, students. My name is Sunil Kumar. I am teaching Business Studies and Accountancy in Cambridge International School, Dusua. Hope you all are doing well at home. Well, students, in the previous class, you have learned about economic and non-economic activities in the business studies. Now, today we are going to learn about economic activities in brief. What is economic activity? Activity by which we earn money is called economic activity. Now here economic activity may be divided into three major categories, that is business, profession and employment. Here is the diagrammatical presentation of economic activities. Economic activities cover profession, employment, business. One by one we will take each topic in brief. So students, let's start one by one all the economic activities in detail. Number one is profession. Profession includes those economic activities which requires application of special knowledge, skill in that occupation. In every profession, guidelines or code of conduct is laid down by the professional bodies have to be followed. Those engaged in profession are known as professional, and for that profession they will charge fee for their services. Let's take some examples of profession. Medical. In medical profession, doctors work. Doctors charge fee for their services. All the rules and regulations are made by the Medical Council of India. In the same way, legal profession in which lawyers work, they also charge fee for their services. Bar Council of India deals with the code of conduct of the lawyers. In accounting, chartered accountants work as a professional. They also charge fee for the services. All the rules and regulations are made by the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India. These are the few examples of profession. Here is the second economic activity, that is employment. Employment refers to the occupation in which people work for others and get remuneration in return. Remuneration means salary or wages in return. Those who are employed by others are known as employees. Employment further divided into two parts, blue collar job and white collar job. People who are working in factories called blue collar people, and they receive wages for their work done in factories. People working in office get salary and they are called white collar people. And the third economic activity is business. Business refers to an occupation in which people regularly engage in activities related to purchase, production, and sale of goods and services with a view to earning profit by satisfying the needs of other people. People engage in business to earn income in the form of profit. They do not require any special knowledge for business. So this is all for the day. Tomorrow we will come back with another topic. Till then, stay healthy and stay at home. Thank you.